Look out, a snake! Whew. Now you know how a snake sounds too, Charley. Wow! Don't be scared. It's only an elephant. See for yourselves. It won't hurt you. Maybe that's all the animals there are today. Maybe not. What animal could it be this time? I've never heard that sound before, Charley. I have no idea what it is. Wait, guys. Oh, it doesn't mean that it's a scary animal. Oh, dear. There really is no need to hide in the dark. The jungle is a lot nicer than this cave. Charley, Midge, Nibblit, stop! It's okay, I'm sure it is. Ouch. You okay? I felt that. It's Caramel! It was Caramel making that noise. She was teasing you all along. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Charley, that sound was Frozo. You sat on him. Charley? Oh well. I think it's time to say bye-bye, little Charley Bear. Charley? Oh, Charley! Bye-bye, Charley.